I don't even know where to begin. All right, it's May 24th. Got out here this morning, set up on these birds in the same spot we sat up there last weekend. Nick was out here yesterday, and they kind of worked this area a couple of times. It seemed like everywhere we've tried to set up on them, they kind of skirted us, or we're there and then they're not. This group of 6 birds basically worked, I don't know, what, it's been 3 weeks?
Yeah, 3 weeks and probably 3 days, 3 days a week, something like that.
So they were, as soon as, right off the roost, we had birds pitching down in the field this morning, whatever. I took a shot at one, and me and Nick are back and forth in the blind. He's like 40, 45, 40, 45. I forgot the rangefinder, so I shot at him for 40 and shot right between his legs. Got lucky. Well, we ended up sitting tight, didn't get too worked up about it. And this group of birds kind of milled around out here in the field, and we had a bird behind us with a hen that was hammering. So next thing you know, I think they caught a glimpse of him, and they come shooting down this tree line. I don't know, they were coming in, and next thing you know, I'm like, which one we shoot, which one we shooting, which one we shooting? Shoot the strutter. So this is him. This was the biggest one out of the group.
Also sitting in a spot where he couldn't even really see him until they were right in front of us, and I was sitting on the one side of the blind where I could kind of watch him come in, kind of talking to him back and forth a little bit, and they worked right in. But the way these birds have been working us the last couple of weeks, we wanted to take the first shot that we were able to do. He was able to lay a good shot down his bird. It ended up running off probably a good 300 yards into the woods, and we were able to get on blood and foul wood, but ended up finding him in there, so that was good. And then after his shot, we tried scrambling around, pulling off a double, and I picked out one at, he was probably about 40, 45 again, and took the shot, and my first instinct was I missed him, just missed him, and we kind of watched him limp off a little bit, and so wasn't really sure what to think then. But then after we gave it probably a good hour or so, went out there, we found like a couple drops of blood, and I don't think
it was a real fatal shot. Like you said, we played the footage back a few different times, and that you can see the arrow once it comes in, it kind of just skips. Got more dirt than anything, to be honest. But.
Yeah, the arrow was completely clean when we found that, and like I said, it's just a couple drops, and it's unfortunate that we ended up just nicking them, but definitely not a fatal shot, or by no means, and it's a bummer that's how it goes. But hey, at least we got one bird, and we actually got him his birthday bird. So these birds
came real close to pulling a double off 2 years in a row, boy, with the bows. Last year was something special, and anytime you can get out here with the stick and string and chase these birds, man, it is in no other way. It really isn't. He ended up what? He's got about 10, I'd say probably 10 and a half inch beard-ish.
Good hooks.
Real good hooks. He's about weighing about 20 pounds, probably a little bit over 20 once we get the official weight on him.
Solid bird, but it's still early. We might try to pull something out of the hat first, but at least we got one bird down, and we can finally say that we got these birds in the range. The way they've been making us look like amateurs lately, but we were finally able to pull it together on one at least. So still got a little bit of season left, on a long day today, hopefully, and maybe we'll be able to lay a second one down by the end of the day.